Now, a fresh political face-off has erupted over former Army Chief General M.M. Narawane's unpublished memoir and references to the Ladakh standoff with China in the year 2020. It was triggered by the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi quoting a media report that carried excerpts from the book, leading to sharp reaction from several members of the government, including the Defence Minister and the Home Minister. Hitting back, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju launched a scathing attack, saying that Rahul Gandhi should change his behaviour, accusing him of violating Parliament rules. He made this comment this morning.
राहुल गांधी जानबूझ के ये काम कर रहे हैं हमारा देश का आर्मी का मनोबल को गिराने के लिए। हमारा देश का विदेश नीति, रक्षा नीति जो बहुत ही संवेदनशील होते हैं, उसको वो हल्कापन, मजाक के तौर पर दुनिया के सामने में पेश करना चाहते हैं। रक्षा मंत्री और आर्मी चीफ के बीच में क्या बात होता है, रक्षा मंत्री प्रधानमंत्री के बीच में क्या बात होता है, ये कोई सार्वजनिक घोषणा करके बताने का चीज होता है क्या? इसलिए मैं समझता हूं कि राहुल गांधी ने ऐसा नहीं, वो बचपना नादान में ऐसा कर रहे, ऐसा नहीं है। ये सोची समझी एक षड्यंत्र है कि भारत को बदनाम करने के लिए।
मुझे बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं, मुझे बस 2-3 लाइन बोलनी है, उसमें सब पता लग जाएगा, बट वो बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं। मैं कह रहा हूं कि इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ नेशनल सिक्योरिटी। These are the words of Army Chief, serious leader of our forces, and it's a conversation that he has had with Rajnath Singh ji and also with Mr. Narendra Modi. All I'm saying is that I want to say in the House what the Army Chief has written. बस वही मैं बोलना चाह रहा हूँ, आर्मी चीफ ने क्या बोला है, मोदी जी ने उनसे क्या कहा, राजनाथ सिंह जी ने उनसे क्या कहा, क्या ऑर्डर दिया, मैं पार्लियामेंट हाउस में बोलना चाहता हूँ। पता नहीं इतने क्यों डरे हुए हैं।
देखना पड़ेगा कि मामला बड़ा गंभीर है, क्योंकि इसके अंदर तो जब बार बार नरवाने साहब पूछ रहे थे, अब तो सारी चीजें बाहर आ गई, सोशल मीडिया पे सारा कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है। वो तो कह रहे थे कि भाई हमें कुछ बताइए बताइए बताइए। 2 घंटे के बाद कहा जो आप कर सकते हैं करिए, तो उन्होंने कहा दे हैंडेड में हॉट पोटैटो। आप समझ सकते हैं, गर्म आलू हाथ में पकड़ा हो किसी ने तो उसकी स्थिति तो वॉर से भी बड़ी होती है। तो यह तो सामने स्पष्ट है कि यह सरकार कुछ नहीं कर सकती, सब जगह फेल है। चीन ने हमारी कितनी जमीन कब्जा कर लिया है, सो अभी तक उसका आंकड़ा हमारे पास में नहीं है, लेकिन परिस्थिति बहुत गंभीर है और जब तक ये सरकार हटेगी नहीं, देश बचेगा नहीं।
Himanshu joining me live at this point. Himanshu, we've seen the face-off ever since yesterday after Rahul Gandhi attempted to speak in Parliament. What are we expecting today? Could we see the leader of opposition attempting to make his point, his statement once again in Parliament anytime today?
Yeah, of course. Rahul Gandhi has made it very clear that the point that he wanted to raise yesterday with regard to the 2020 skirmish between India and the Chinese soldiers in Ladakh, this is the point that he wishes to again raise today. And he has categorically said that despite government opposing his decision, he has decided to go ahead and present these facts in Parliament. On the other side, we do know that Treasury benches are insisting that Lok Sabha Speaker has given a ruling under Rule 349, which prohibits an MP from raising an issue published in a book or a magazine or any other publication or a document which has not been authenticated by the Secretariat. So clearly, I think there is a logjam. That we saw a political stalemate leading to adjournment of the House 3 times yesterday, and Rahul Gandhi every time insisting that he be allowed to make the point that he wants to make, and he actually wants to refer to specific details published in former Army Chief Narawane's unpublished book, excerpts of which have been published in a magazine.
Yes, and Himanshu, what are your sources telling you as far as the government's approach on this is going to be? Because, of course, they did protest against it yesterday. What is their approach going to be in Parliament today when that attempt is made again by the Leader of Opposition?
Well, the government is adamant that any detail related to what was written in an unpublished book can't be shared in Parliament because details have not been authenticated, neither the book has been published. And that is why Treasury benches, government ministers are insisting that Lok Sabha Speaker has already given a ruling on this issue that Rahul Gandhi wants to raise under Rule 349, as I said, which prohibits sharing any details inside the House related to what has been published in a book or a magazine or a publication or any other document which has not been authenticated by the Secretariat. So government, of course, is very clear that it doesn't want the Speaker to allow Rahul Gandhi under any circumstances to raise these issues related to the 2020 border skirmish between India and the Chinese soldiers and the role of what Rahul Gandhi is alleging the Prime Minister and Defence Minister. So these are details which are very sensitive and government doesn't want Rahul Gandhi to speak on that, but Rahul Gandhi is adamant and defiant that he will be raising when he gets an opportunity, and that could lead to a lot of hangama in Lok Sabha when the House resumes and the debate on motion of thanks on President's address is again restarted shortly.
All right, so we're expecting the Leader of Opposition to try and make that statement in Parliament once again, but also we're going to hear from the Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal, who's going to make a statement on that big Indo-US trade deal in about 2.5 hours from now. All right, rather 1.5 hours from now. Moving on now, but staying with the big story, a political storm is brewing over former Army Chief General M.M. Naravne's unreleased memoir. After Rahul Gandhi's remarks on the book, Shiv Sena UBT MP Sanjay Raut has raised serious concerns, saying he now fears for the general's safety and has demanded enhanced security for the former Army Chief. The demand has now found support from the Congress's both on the book controversy and concerns being raised over General Naravne's security.
देश में तो सरकार के खिलाफ जो भी बात करेगा, जो सच कहेगा, वो सबको सुरक्षा की जरूरत है, क्योंकि ये झूठों की सरकार है, सच से उनका कोई नाता नहीं है। कल लोकसभा में राहुल गांधी को बोलने नहीं दिया। जनरल मनोज नरवणे रिटायर्ड, उनकी किताब है जिस किताब के ऊपर अब तक सरकार ने उनको परमिशन नहीं दी है पब्लिश करने की। उसमें से कुछ तथ्य सामने लाया है कि हमारा पॉलिटिकल लीडरशिप संकट के समय में निर्णय लेने की क्षमता उसमें नहीं है, ये उसमें स्पष्ट दिखता है। ये साहस दिखाया है जनरल नरवणे की।
बिल्कुल ठीक मांग की है। ये सरकार बुरी तरह फंस गई है और किसी भी समय जनरल नरवणे को किसी भी तरह का खतरा हो सकता है, तो ये बेहतर है कि उनको सुरक्षा दी जाए।
देखो, नरवणे जी ने संजय राउत जैसे भोकला गया आदमी से थोड़ा बचना चाहिए। नरवणे जी के अब राजनीति के लिए कोई मुद्दा ही नहीं है उनके पास, अपोजिशन के पास कोई मुद्दा नहीं है, इसलिए नरवणे जी का जो मुद्दा है वो लेके चल रहे हैं। अभी लोगों के जो काम काज के लिए, लोगों के जो देश की जनता है उनके लिए कुछ काम करना अभी उनके पास नहीं है। अभी जनता ने उन्हें हरा दिया है, उनको जनता भूल गई है, इसलिए इसी तरह के मुद्दे लेके चल रहे हैं।